Zikr and prayer after sneezing. Mommy, I want to join you cleaning the room.
Oh, honey, but I'm afraid you'll get allergic.
Al-ham-du-lil-laah.
Yar-ha-mu-kil-laah.
Yah-dii-kil-laah wa yus-li-hu baa-la-ki.